everyone. This is Explorer Channel. Tonight's dinner of the day is chicken parmesan. This is what we call a chicken parm. Chicken parmesan, everyone. It is usually on the side. See nice and how hot it is? This is what we call chicken parmesan. It is chicken over ziti. It's a fried chicken dish that is put over ziti with sauce and high amounts of mozzarella cheese on top. This is what we call a chicken parmesan. Chicken parm is a delicious Italian dish that was invented like macaroni and meatballs, or macaroni and sausage, or macaroni sausage and meatballs in a big giant bowl. This dish is called chicken parmesan, made here in my own apartment at home in Waterbury, Connecticut. Please don't forget to give the thumbs up. Please like, share, and subscribe. Explorer Channel loves you all. Out.